Hi, I'm David. So for this problem, they're giving us three different equations. Y equals negative 1/2 x, y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3, and y equals 2x minus 4. And they're asking, based on these three questions, or these three equations that they give us, what are their relationships? They're asking us to identify their relationships. So as we recall from earlier, if we look at these two numbers, the negative 1/2, this is the slope. This is the m because it is the multiplier to the x. This is what's multiplying the x. So this is the slope. And since both of these have the same slope, they're both negative 1/2, that means these two functions are parallel because the slopes are the same, but their y-intercepts are different. Now here, you don't really see a y-intercept, but it's still there. It's just plus 0. It's just invisible. There's an invisible 0 here. So it still exists. Here, it's plus 3. So these two are the same line, except this is up 3. But they have the same slope, meaning these two lines are parallel, and they'll never touch. They'll never cross each other. Meanwhile, for this equation, the slope here is 2x. This means that this equation is perpendicular to these two, because as we recall, a equation is perpendicular if the m is the negative reciprocal. Meaning, if whatever this slope is, if we were to just flip the sign, meaning if it's negative, we make it positive. If it's positive, we make it negative, and then we flip the actual fraction. So 2 is just 2/1. Obviously, we don't write the 1 because the 1 is in the denominator. We just assume it. So because of that, this equation would be perpendicular to both of these. And of course, we could use the graphing utility to check our answers to make sure. So we turn it on, go to y equals. We plug in these three equations, negative 1/2 x, y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3, and 2x minus 4. After we type these three in and we graph it, we should see three lines pop up. These two lines are parallel, meaning they will never touch. And this line crossing both of these two lines at a 90 degrees angle, at a right angle. So this would be perpendicular to these two. And if for some reason you don't see it, it's possible on your graphing calculator that your windows are not calibrated correctly. So what we could do is click zoom, and then go down to zoom standard, Z standard. And by clicking that, we set it to the default window, which then should shift everything to the center of the graph, which would make all three of these visible. And that is how we solve this problem. Thank you.